Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. In the last video we have learned how to apply a filter on a chart, a single chart, multiple chart on a same page or same dashboard. Okay, so in this video we will learn how can we apply a same filter into the multiple pages. Okay, so let's create one more page or one more dashboard. Let's go to the filter. Let's copy these two KPIs and this country column, this country table. Okay, so just select all, Control C, go to this page, do the Control V. Okay, and let's have one more table here, just simple table by stack column chart from the total product cost will be the y-axis and by the country. Okay, so simple chart, nothing fancy here. Okay, and okay, so we have this chart. Let's do just a small formatting. Just wanted to have a border so that we can clearly see that the border. Okay, so yeah, so we have a filter here, like we have the category, we have the country, we have the time scale filter here, and we wanted to apply the same filter at this chart as well as the chart presented to page one. So for that it's very easy actually. We will just go to just select this category. Okay, once you select the category, you just need to go to the view section. Okay, in the view you will see the last synchronized slicer. You just need to click it here. Once you click it here, you will be able to see that this filter, the slicer you have selected there, it's visible here. You can see the visible. So this is the tick. Tick means filter 3, it's visible. Okay, and if you wanted to same slicer should be applied into any of the previous page, any page you wanted to, so just tick it here. So like I wanted to apply onto the page one, so I will be just doing that. So this, if this is selected, it means you will be able to see that, which you don't need it right now. We just need to apply the filter. Okay, so to apply the filter here also if you want, otherwise leave it. So I basically the filter is present at this page of three filter. Okay, and I wanted to apply the same filter into the page one. Okay, so let's go and do that. Okay, so right now I am able to see 29.33 million here in page 3, and if I go to the page 1, same 39.36 million. Okay, let's apply a filter. Go to the category here, select accessories. Now it's 70.76. Okay, so let's go and check under the page 1. Let's see if the value is the same. Yeah, so now you can see this total sales is also changed to 700.76k. Okay, and this value is changing according to that one. So let's go back again to the filter page and let's minimize this. Okay, and let's apply the country filter here. So let's take a France as a country, and you can see it's 63.41k total sales, and these model names, the values for the model is changing, and here you can see only for the country France. Okay, let's go to the page 1 and let's see that. So this has not changed because we did not apply the slicer for this filter, right? So for the country we haven't applied anything. Okay, so I think doubt is clear for now. Let's if we wanted to make change for that slicer also, let's click it here, go to the synchronize slicer. Okay, just you need to apply this slicer here as well as the page 1. You don't need to show, that's it. Okay, now let's go to the page 1. This slicer is also applied over 63.41. Okay, and here you can see only the country France. Okay, so let's remove the filter now. Let's try to see if it's back or not. Let's remove both the filter. So it will again come back to 29.36, and let's see if the same thing will be applicable here now. Yeah, you can see 29.36. Okay, so this way you can apply a filter into the same chart, same dashboard, or you can apply the filter onto multiple dashboard. Okay, so I think you understand the concept, and thanks for watching. If you like my video, please hit the like button and please subscribe. Thank you very much.